Wow, that's quite a crab. And what's that we have here? Wow, this is fish I've been looking for. I'm gonna make a delicious dish out of it. First, we need to cut out the excess and mark the pieces.
Well done.
Great. Now let's do the pork and thinly slice it. It is so soft, so it's gonna take no time. To make it tasty, let's soak it in soy sauce and some wine. Next, we need to slice the green onions, ginger, and mushrooms. Well, it's time to light the fire and fry our ingredients in oil. The fish comes first because it takes the longest to cook. Let's put it in. Excellent. Let's move on to the pork. It must be constantly stirred and turned so that it is fried on all sides. Let's add everything plus the chili peppers. Just a little bit so we don't overspice it. We'll also need some soy sauce, brown sugar, pepper, rice vinegar, regular sugar, and sesame oil. Time to stir our spices and put the mushrooms in. That's how quickly we've made a gorgeous dressing for the fish. Let's pour it in. Let the fish soak up the juicy flavors. It smells delicious. We can take the pot off the stove now. Ta-da! We got a fabulous dish like from the best restaurant. Let's try it. Wow, this is so cool! I love it! This is really good. I want more. Thank you, friends. Put likes if you like this video, and I also invite you to subscribe to my channel to learn more interesting recipes. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.